Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little bit washed out, but that is because I am reviewing a new bronzer slash highlighter duo and an eyeshadow palette for you guys. And it is the brand new Summer Solstice collection from Nars. I'm reviewing the cheek duo and then the Summer Solstice eyeshadow palette. I think these just came out in Ulta, like they weren't even on display yet, and they were nice enough over there to like bring them out front for me and let me buy them, so thank you so much. But that's what we're doing today. I'm so excited because I love Nars products, so I already know these are gonna be good, or at least I hope. So before we do start talking about these and trying them out, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world to me. It just helps show your support for my channel, so thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see my review and try on of the new Nars Summer Solstice collection, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, I honestly don't even know where to start because I'm so excited about both of them. I think what I'll start off doing is I'll unbox them for you guys, and then I'll do some swatches on my arms, and then we'll start actually applying to my face. I want to start off by saying that these are heavy, you guys. Like, they feel heavy, so you already know they're very good quality, and they have like that classic like matte black Nars packaging with like the shiny Nars letters. I absolutely love that. So the cheek duo goes for $45, and then the eyeshadow palette goes for $49. So they are up there in price, I know, but Nars products are always worth the price to me, so I'm hoping that that's the case here too. But I'm just gonna start with unboxing the cheek duo first, I think, because it'll be easier to swatch. Ooh, I already love this. Look at this packaging, you guys. I have not seen anything like this from Nars before. It is, of course, on par with the Nars packaging in general, but this is totally new, just like this really shiny. It's kind of like a, I don't know what kind of metal this would look like. It's almost, I don't want to say like aluminum, but kind of like that like wrinkly aluminum kind of look, but in a really, really good way. Wow, look at this. This is stunning, you guys. Oh my gosh. I think this is lighter than the Laguna bronzer. Let me just do a little compare. Here is my Nars bronzer that's clearly been used and abused, and then here's this. So the bronzer in this limited edition duo is definitely lighter than Nars Laguna. So if you're a Laguna person like I am, just beware that this is a little bit lighter. But I'm just gonna dip my fingers into here, see how it feels, see how it swatches. So, okay, this is very creamy. Like super, like my fingers are like slipping in here. It's so buttery. So let me just, okay, so this bronzer is pretty dang light. Like, I don't even know if you can really see it on my hand because it kind of like blends in with what my skin tone is, to be honest. And then let me do the highlight. This highlighter is gorgeous, you guys. This on a good tan is going to look amazing. So here is the bronzer right here. Like, I swatched right here. It's like a really small difference. And then here's the highlighter. It's like this really beautiful gold highlight. And then before I start applying that, I want to swatch the eyeshadow palette too for you guys, so you can see what this looks like too. So this has that same like really pretty packaging. The cheek duo is just more bronzy, and then this one has like a more gold packaging. Guys, this is gorgeous. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, and if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that these are the exact kinds of colors that I always reach for. So I am going to have some fun trying this out. I'm gonna swatch these off camera because it might take me a hot minute, and then I'll come back and show you guys what the swatches look like, and then we're gonna start playing with some makeup. Guys, the swatches are done, and I'm literally in shock at how beautiful every single shade is. I don't know if Nars changed something up with their formulation of their eyeshadows, but every single one of these shades felt so creamy and buttery and soft and so pigmented. Like, I was literally in shock every single time I dipped my finger into one of the shades and then applied onto my arm, because all of them blew me out of the water. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do for an eye look because all of these are so absolutely stunning. I don't even know, you guys. So basically the way I swatched was I did this first, went across, then here, then across, then here, then across. So we've got 2 matte shades, and then the rest, there's like 3 of them, I think, that have like, or 4. There's like 4 of them that have like a little bit of a shimmer to them, and then there's 3 actual like shimmery shades. So there's a lot of variety in this palette, and if you're someone that loves like warm bronzy tones, this is going to be such a good palette for you. I can already predict that this is gonna be like my go-to summer palette because it literally has everything I could ever want in an eyeshadow right here. You guys know that I'm not like a crazy eyeshadow person, so this is going to be so perfect for me. Like, just look at all of these swatches. I think I want to use the cheek duo first because I'm looking a little bit washed out in the face, so I want to kind of fix that a little bit first. I want to add some life to my face, some warmth. So I'm just, the only thing I don't like about the packaging is it's kind of hard to open, and I just painted my nails and it's like really messing them all up. So I am going to take just a regular brush that I use to bronze up my face. This is just from Zoeva. It's a Luxe Sheer Cheek brush, and I'm going into that bronzer shade, just swirling in there a little bit, and then I'm gonna start applying it to my cheeks. So far, I'm literally dying on the inside how much I love this. This is the perfect bronze. I was a little nervous that it was gonna be kind of light because I feel like the Nars Laguna bronzer is like the perfect shade of bronze. It's like not too dark, not too light, just like right in the middle. But this is really, really stunning. I feel like it's giving my face the perfect amount of bronze to just like liven me up. It's really, really natural looking, and it's not matte, which I love. It has like a little hint of a glow behind it, so stunning. But now I'm just going into this highlighter shade with just a random brush I used to highlight. It's from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, the JH09 brush. I'm just dipping into there and then applying wherever I would typically apply my highlighter. This is officially going to be my new go-to for a bronzer and highlight duo. I'm so obsessed with how natural yet glam my face looks right now. Like, this could not have blended into the rest of my makeup any better. The thing I will say about this highlighter though is it's not like a crazy beaming highlight. I've tried highlighters that are more intense than this, but I'm also not somebody that loves like a really crazy, unnatural, intense looking highlight. I like more of that kind of subtle glow from within kind of highlight, and that's exactly what this is giving me. It's like the perfect amount of glow with the perfect amount of bronze. Like, I'm just in awe at how amazing this is. Like, I knew I was gonna love it, but I did not have a single clue that I was gonna love it this much. Moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I'm super excited to be using this. So I don't really know what I'm trying to do here. I think I want to go for a more kind of subtle eye look because I'm feeling really bronzy and my lips are a little bit dramatic. I'm wearing the Nars liquid lips. So I'm probably gonna start off with this shade right here, which is called Seven Heaven, I believe, if I'm not wrong. I'm dipping into it with a blending brush and I'm just gonna start working that into my crease. Now I'm just taking a little bit of a smaller blending brush and I'm going into that darker matte shade up here, which is Thar. Dipping it into here, and I'm just blending a little bit closer to the outside of my eye. I'm gonna use my finger to dip into Indian Wells. So I have it on my finger and I'm just applying to my lid. And then I'm just going back into that Cheek Duo palette. And I'm just taking a little bit of that highlighter shade into my brow bone. Just to give it a little pop. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara to finish this off and I'll be right back. All right guys, the look is completed. I didn't put any lashes on just because I really like how this mascara looked alone with the eyeshadow that I applied. I'm so impressed by these eyeshadows and how pigmented they were on my eyes, or are on my eyes. Just everything blended in so nicely. Nothing was patchy, nothing was scratchy, none of that nonsense. It was all so just like, it felt like it was foolproof to apply, if that makes sense. Like, it was so easy to blend in that I genuinely feel like nobody could mess it up. It's so good. All of the colors are so stunning. They do go on, I would say, probably a little bit darker than they look on or in the palette. Like that light transition shade that I applied first, it looked a little bit lighter in the palette, and then when I applied it went on a little bit darker, but I'm not complaining because it looked absolutely stunning in the palette and on my eyes. I just feel like it's giving me like the perfect summery bronze look to my eyes, and these two together are gonna be such an iconic combo to make for a perfect summer look. I already know that both of these are going to be products that I grab for a lot, especially in the summer months, because it's giving me the perfect, like I said, bronzy Greek goddess kind of look that I always strive to get, especially in the summer. So I'm already obsessed with both. I love how my makeup looks today. Nars has impressed me yet again, and Nars has yet to let me down, like, ever, because all of their products are pretty much amazing, everything. And this did not disappoint. I am obsessed with how everything turned out, how everything felt, how everything just looked, and everything. Just, I don't even know what to say, because both of them blew me out of the water. Both of them look so good, feel so amazing. I think both of these products were 110% worth the money. I would spend $49 on this and $45 on that a million times over, because I really think, off of a first impression, that they're really worth it. I'm having such a good skin and eye makeup day, and I just like need to go show this off somewhere. Like, I don't care where, I just need to go show this off because I feel really good. And I feel like I'm gonna continue having these good makeup days as long as I keep using these products. So I'm extremely happy. I definitely think you guys should try this. 100% worth the money. So it's a huge yes from me. That's all I have though for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Comment and let me know what you think of the makeup product that I came out with from these beautiful new things from Nars. Make sure to comment, just say hello. Give this a big thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel. Just show your support for the channel. It means the world to me, so thank you. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.